Hey, hi. Thank you for watching my channel, Ravi's Eye View. The most important questions in the minds of the students and aspirational professionals for the future of India keep asking, which are the streams which will be in demand in the next few years? My estimated guesswork is by the year 2025, few of the professions in India will have a higher demand. Therefore, aspiring professionals need to keep them in mind. Let me begin with actuarial sciences. Actuarial science is a new stream of studies becoming popular in the Western country. There are few institutes in India. They do offer these courses, but the certification has to come from either UK or United States of America. Now, actuarial science is what? Actuarial science is a study which helps mostly the bankers and the insurance industry by risk mitigating the proposal. For example, the insurance policy which you would have bought recently, it's the actuarial scientist who fixes your premium basis on the risk profiling of you. This is going to quadruple in demand as the economy keeps growing and more stricter measures by the banking and insurance industry will be implemented in order to facilitate a smoother product transition. The next profession, which might be on a huge demand, I call them forever green opportunity or a job. It's called back-end developer. Now, why back-end developer is a forever green job? Because most of the IT company would prefer to have an in-house back-end developer. Therefore, this job will continue to grow. Therefore, the demand will multiply as the years comes. Now, surprisingly, I am also going to tell you home baking will become more and more thriving business in India. There are 2-3 reasons. People now start believing and expecting the hygiene factor need to be maintained when they eat out. Therefore, home baking will also become a mainstream activity for many of those interested people, irrespective of the gender. You will find this business and the skill set will be on a higher demand. Now, India is also having an alarming rate of aging population, which in the next 4 to 5 years period, there will also be an increased demand for physiotherapists. Yes, physiotherapist is in short supply as far as India is concerned. They will have a good demand as we progress. Now, the entertainment industry, pharmaceutical, you name them, most of the mission critical supplies which can reach the remotest part of the country will be depending on drones. The government of India will be easing out some of the norms for drone usage, which they've already started considering. Therefore, even the profession of being a drone operator will also be in a higher demand. Now, data science or being a data scientist is one subject will never go out of circulation. The good news is India as a country, we have a short supply of data scientists. The future requirement in the next about a decade or so, we will require 1.7 million data scientists in this country, but unfortunately, we will be able to produce only 370,000 of them. Data science is going to be on a very higher demand. Now, generally, the perception about Indian lifestyle is that we are not health conscious. But I guess that's up for a change, which means more and more younger couple, more and more people, those who are aging, are consciously becoming very particular about their lifestyle and health. Remember, India is the capital for diabetics. Therefore, anybody who chooses to be a dietitian there seems to be a tremendous amount of growth for them as well. Dietitian is going to be the higher demand, or the demand creation for being a dietitian in India will quadruple in the next decade or so. Now, coming to a full stack engineer. Now, many of the engineers, they are either a front-end engineers or a back-end engineers. A full stack is a competency. Somebody who possesses both front-end and back-end they can handle. Now, full stack, being a full stack engineer in itself is a very niche position. And there you'll find tremendous amount of demand emerging as and we progress as an economy in this country. Now, being a banker is not only a fancy job, it'll never go out of circulation. There are few strong reasons for that. India as a country is the fastest growing economy in the globe. Therefore, the banking industry will also thrive to grow. Being a banker, not only a fancy profession, it will be a high demand profession. Watch for more information about the future of jobs in India from Ravi Venkatraman. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel, Ravi's iView, signing off.